Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to HashiCorp Vault from your VPS apps, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate to HashiCorp Vault from your VPS applications, begin by ensuring that Vault is installed and configured on your server. First, access your Vault server using SSH. Use your preferred terminal to connect to your VPS. Once connected, you must export the Vault address. Run the command to set the environment variable for the Vault address. This command should point to the URL of your Vault server. Next, enable the authentication method you plan to use. For example, to use the app role authentication method, run the command to enable it in Vault. Next, create an app role with the required policies. Assign a unique ID and set the policies that dictate what the role can access. Once the app role is created, Vault will generate a secret ID for it. Make sure to securely store both the role ID and secret ID. Now, move to your application code where Vault will be integrated. Install the Vault client library compatible with your application's programming language. For example, if you are using Python, you would install the HVAC module. In your application code, import the necessary library. Begin by creating a new client instance to interact with the Vault server. Set the URL in your client configuration to match the Vault address you previously exported. Now, use the role ID and secret ID to authenticate your application. Call the authentication function provided by the client library. Upon successful authentication, your application will receive a token. Store this token securely for subsequent requests to Vault. Use this token to interact with Vault for secrets management. Make sure to handle token renewal and revocation in your application logic. Implement error handling to manage potential authentication failures. Test the integration to ensure your application can access secrets as expected. Once confirmed, monitor your application for any authentication or authorization issues. Finally, regularly review the Vault access policies and tokens to maintain security. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.